Well, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. Joining us now is Maria Raymer, one of our real estate experts from our partners at Home Connect TV. Thank you so much for joining us bright and early on your Saturday morning.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, glad you can be here. So we're talking about refinancing your mortgage.
Yes.
Kind of a heavy topic for a Saturday morning, but an important one.
Yeah.
Because Maria, you had mentioned maybe this is a really good time to do that.
Possibly. It depends on your situation, but rates are historically low. So I'm starting to get a lot of calls from past customers saying, hey, do you think I should refinance my house? And there are different variables, so I have to ask a lot of questions, maybe bring in a mortgage person and kind of consult with them and make sure it makes sense. One thing you want to consider is you want to stay in the house long enough after the refinance to make it worth your while to do it, because there are closing costs involved. For example, if you had a $250,000 mortgage, you're going to pay about $5,000 in closing costs on that. So the savings of $85, $100 a month, it's going to take you a while to pay that back and get flat before you start realizing the savings of doing that. So that's important. How long will you remain in the house? We like to see about a 1.5% to 2% drop from the rate you're paying versus what it is, as a general rule of thumb, to see if it's worthwhile or not for you. There's also ways to save money in closing costs when you are refinancing. If you happen to have a survey from the sale and you haven't done any improvements to the property, you can use that again. Also, if you bought 2 years ago or less, we could utilize the title insurance and get a better price on it. So there's ways to save money and cut the costs. Again, all these variables are what is going to tell me, is it worth it for you guys to do this and bring your rate down and save money? And if you're refinancing a larger balance, that makes a difference too, because then the savings is bigger because it's a larger amount of money. So again, a lot of variables with that and things to discuss with someone when they're wondering, should I refinance or should I not? Another option is, with the rates so low, you could cash in your equity, buy another house, a bigger house, and possibly have the same payment. So that's another consideration. Is it better to just sell your property?
Well, for anyone who is wondering about refinancing your home, you just got a lot of really great advice. We're going to put this on our website in case you missed it, because that is great information. Rates historically low.
Right.
And if you missed it, you can catch them on Home Connect TV. They have new times, actually. You can find that on our website as well. Maria Raymer, thank you so much for
You're
joining
welcome.
us. Great advice.